just a good old boy.
Hey y'all, I had bad luck though. Dang, this thing here is going to annoy me. Flopping around everywhere. Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to plug it in. Come think of it, because I'm going to be on the main highway next to it. And I'm going to need every cautionary light I can get the only way to this field. This is the custom hay that I fluffed the other day in a video. Pretty more likely I posted it. Pretty sure it did, unless I lost a bunch of the footage, which I hadn't edited yet, so you never know. But we are on the way down here to go bale it. My dang camera on the back of my baler, on my cab cam camera, or it's not a cab cam. I use rear view safety systems. It's the RV system. It's the same. The system is literally identical to the cab cam. The monitor, I mean, used to. I don't know. I hadn't looked in a long time, but even the monitors and everything look the same. I think the cab cam was actually having their product built for them by rear view safety systems, or they own the company one or something, I don't know. Anyway, you could buy the rear view safety system a little bit cheaper, or a good bit cheaper actually, than you could the cab cam, and it's the exact same thing at the time I bought this system. And I went and I got it, and I got one monitor, one camera, and then the little box that went down there, and I had it for several years. I had it a while before I started using it, and I want to say that particular system I have had for 5 or 6 years, just the one camera and the monitor. Now, the other camera that I had originally on my pickup, when I had that system wired to trip, when I opened the tailgate, it would change to the rear view, but any other time it would show the pickup head while I was bailing. I could watch it on the screen how it was feeding. And I did away with that when I went to, when we went to put the camera system on the Coons accumulator to see where we could watch it tripping and everything, because I didn't want to have to buy another camera. So I sacrificed and got rid of it. When I first originally bought the camera systems, I just had, just like I do now, just the view off the back of the baler, and later I added one on the pickup right off the back of the tractor, and then it doubled as I could use it with other stuff because it stayed all the time on the tractor. Well, when I changed that out, I just went back to one, and the original camera now has quit working. I reckon either that or I've got a fuse blowed. I don't know. I hadn't had time to really look at it, but I'm betting it's probably the camera. Because that thing, I've had it for 6 years. As y'all know, I mean, when I'm bailing, that thing's on all the time. So we bail 8 months out of the year generally, or 7 anyway. And typically, it's held up pretty dang good considering the amount of use that it's got. And it wasn't priced that bad when I went with rear view safety. So if you're wanting a camera system going in your tractor, I highly recommend rear view safety systems, even though it ain't worth the camera went bad, but it's definitely paid for itself and earned its keep. And I'll go back and buy from them again, just because that camera, like I said, it's been on there at least 5 to 6 years, maybe longer. I don't exactly remember when I bought this system, that system first. I know when I put this console in here, I made a video and I transferred it, the monitor in here, and I put the GPS in here. I got it whenever I fixed this console I built and fabricated out of steel to go in here to mount these monitors on. That was when I got that, but I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna go bale some hay. I'll be there here in just a second. I've probably got 2 or 3 miles of traffic sitting behind me no longer than I've been on this road. But I don't care, honestly. These people have got to where they're so rude around here anymore. You know what? If I can slow them down and make an irk in their day, it suits me just fine, because they tick me off every single day. Even when I'm in a pickup truck going down the road, as far as I'm concerned, they can go back wherever the hell they came from, because I don't care for them here. I've been here, my family's been here for multi-generational in this area, so as far as I'm concerned, they can leave. I was here first.
I've had choices since the day that I was born. There were voices that told me right from wrong. If I had listened, no, I wouldn't be here today, living and dying with the choices I've made. I was tempted by an early age. I found I liked drinking. Oh, and I never turned it down. There were loved ones, but I turned them all away. Now I'm living and dying with the choices I've made. I've had choices since the day that I was born. There were voices that told me right from wrong. If I had listened, no, I wouldn't be here today, living and dying with the choices I made. guess I'm paying for the things that I have done. If I could go back, oh Lord knows I'd run, but I'm still losing this game of life I play, living and dying with the choices I've made. I've had choices since the day that I was born. There were voices that told me right from wrong. If I had listened, I wouldn't be here today, living, dying with the choices I've made. Living and dying with the choices I've made.
Life on bended knee, begging somebody to change, and the other half praying to God that they never would. And all it got me was twice as lost when it all turned out the same. All that begging finally did somebody good. I used to dream all night of the day that was gone, but come the morning light, forever from now on, I'm gonna do my dreaming with my eyes wide open. I'll do my looking back with my eyes closed. We can do some living, spend the whole life hoping, 'cause in the end we're left with the one we chose. So I'll do my dreaming with my eyes wide open. Every time the world moved on, I fell a little further behind from running back or following someone home, until I learned that one step forward will take you further on than 1,000 back or 1,000,000 that ain't your own.